What is up, family? It's your boy again with another unboxing, another quick review. I'm not gonna really say too much. I'm not gonna speak too much. I'm gonna go ahead and get straight to it. You should know what it is by the name of the title. Let's go ahead and open it. This is from Repco USA. Yes, sir. Repping USA all day. But yeah, I'm gonna start calling you guys family because I might just call you guys family because I used to watch this guy on YouTube when I was in like middle school. His name was Scoop208, and basically all he would do was just review shoes online and on YouTube and on Facebook, stuff like that. But yeah, he was a pretty cool guy. He had a bunch of cool shoes. But anyways, get straight to the point. You see it, a bunch of brown paper. Can I get a drum roll, please? Ready? Okay. Alright. What are we thinking, family? Okay. Feels nice. Nice leather. Some plastic. Do we have any extras in here? Any stickers? They did not send me any stickers. That's crazy. That's already, we're taking off the start for sure because of that. No, I'm just kidding. But that was pretty fire. Oh, I think that was a secret shot. Or should I say family? I think everyone nowadays says chat, so I'm not gonna say chat for sure. Yeah, but we got a sticker right here. Repco USA, the new standard. I'm not sure if I'm putting on my hood because I'm really liking the way it looks. And I don't really want to put a sticker on it. I don't know if this, yeah, JK. But yeah, solid hood, bro. I mean, looks nice. I like the all white, the cane hood, the all white hood, whatever you want to call it. The leather smells pretty good, nice and thick, not too thick, just the right amount of thickness. Pause. I'll go ahead and put it on real quick. I'm not gonna show you because I don't really want to put my face on the screen, on the camera or whatever, but it's pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully, this is my last welding hood for a very, very long time. I only have this one and a pancake. But if I ever do get another hood, it'll probably have to be like a 3M hood, right? Because yeah, those are the only ones that make sense at that point. But now, dropped the clip on. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is the video review. The back, the head strap, the shitty head strap, but can we do? It's not bad. It's decent at most, but. Ooh, aluminum fasteners. I did not see that. These are nice. Very nice. But yep, pretty much it. I'll go ahead and set it up. I'll probably make a video on how to set up this. The lens and the clear lens for the new welders. I am a new welder myself, but I didn't know a couple months ago, but now I do. So if I can help anyone, that's always a good thing to do. And yeah, that's just pretty much it, guys. Y'all have a great day, great weekend, a great life, great whatever. Peace.